Number one, water is colorless, smellless, and tasteless. Sundra, isingse mahau yauti, masuliti, manumliti natra. Yang jamne, almana yang jamno, yang jamne hingalina, yang timwana. Sak sana mobile yang sudah di TV misalnya.
Paul Mehenbui, pastor, or former pastor, Makan Baptist Church, Panimong Pazilu Kailo.
You, moderator, myself, and on behalf of my executives, I bring greetings from the office of the Yangmai Dadakati Mairongdi, Manipur. Right now, Timang to digital giveaway.
Good morning, my dear young friends. I am extremely happy to be here with you because to have such motivation speech in the hill areas is very, very seldom. Right. So I am very much thankful to organizing committee, Liang Naga Kaitimai Laudi. Thank you very much for bringing me here. And Jesus also, he is bringing me here. Thank you, all of you. For sharing this, mainly I emphasize the importance of this motivational speech and stressing it also. For your career counseling, your child, Rakesh is here, will be follow this. Right. So, first of all, I want to share a very, very nice story of the China that is from their Dickens book. See what is Yamun Daokon. Yamun Daokon. Please note it in your mind also. Right. In China, Yamne Inak Mapa Leonipa. His father is so reaching. Ego is also very high and very proud. Mana, Magi Machazda, he always conveyed to his son, how much we are belonging to this class family. That means we are very rich. He always convinced this to his son. But my Machazda is Sukayana. His sons deny this. Always. Then, his father is planning to send him in the rural areas. Most of the villages are settled there. Right? All these farmers, they are more lively low. Their standard of living is very low. Right? Adu Mana, if he stayed 10 days with them, he noticed them. Oh, they are very poor and we are very rich. Like that. He's planning to do so and send him. However, after 10 days, my father, he came back to home, then in the morning breakfast, I mean, my pa's in higher. Quick, how much we reach? He gently answered these words. You have to note it in your mind. Number one, Papa, we have 4 walls brick. That is made by brick. The duties of the brick, that is mainly, that is in two. One is constructing the bridge to exit people crossing, right? And another is blocking other people as a wall in the yard. Hingol the Quina wall Kabze, Micham the Namne, Sundra. To protect from thieves. Kurak Dina Natra. But in villagers in the wall they Hey, lay, wow, that means collectively protect all the property lie on the villages, and it is more richer than us. Sundra, Sumiko. Then we have a very costly swimming pond having a very good color that is green. If I bath here and swim here, it is the indication of belonging to this class family. Sundra. Okay, swimming pool naman asamba, coloring the toba, pasang changa, ada iroy raba, yang kale. But my villagers friend, they are swimming in the river. They are playing in the river. River is very long, river is very wide. It is also modernist. Okay, swimming pool dagi Mugi Turin Hill. Sundra, Then we have a very good numbers of these electric decorated bulb, and that is indication of the rich class family. They didn't have such bulb, electric bulb, but you know, when the sun sets, we can see star in the sky. The star is more valuable than the bulb. Right. There is more than us. Then we have a dog, very costly one, and buying a very costly food and giving it, which is the case. Sometimes I play with it, but you know, our villagers friend, they can play more than 50 dogs in the playground. Who is using a dog? Villagers singer. Sundrana. Admaina say, whatever can charge it, refrigerator thamisi. Akwena, si ina kulini. Moina, kuda the hillside. We also buy from them. Moina hin ina kulini. Aduna, my humble appeal is there, you know, my young friends, please love your rain, that is your mother. Please love your trees. They are brothers. Please love your hills. They are your fire. They are all our family members. You have to always think about for them. Right? When you become the IAS officer, in Pagi 0 mile, you didn't care about your parents. Even in the parents' day of war, you didn't go there. Sundra. Automatic chara why not village khadu. See how the future of your village. And my first appeal is you have to love your village, you have to think about the development of your villages, and you have to always associate with your surroundings, atmosphere, climate, and others. Right? This is my first appeal. As far as motivational speech is concerned, this is my problem. It's really a problem to me because you are not having the real sound skill of living. We like Pava Hitri. Manipura, Anang, the like Pava Hitri. Even those students who got the position, first, second, third, ranking, like Pava, not Hitri. I'm very worried for them. Say, no, it's the class 10, 9, 11, 12. I let me ask one question there, you know. You always associate your English textbook, right? Then you do not know who is the author of that textbook. You do not know who are the author of that textbook. You do not know when it published. You do not know the name of the publisher of that book. You do not know the edition number of the edition of that book. You do not know the pages of that book also. Any student, if you can say that, I will give you money, whether it be 1,000 or 2,000. Can you say that? No, money kanang hayam mo. Kanang hayam mo. Money puda kanang hayam mo. Man, sisi yung patun. Already now, when you are studying up to MA, you are going through more than 1,000 books ng kailay pa hayam mo. Ay kainungi lang ito para yun. Kainungi video. Kainungi publish na udo. Edition kainungi sa udo. PS kainungi pa udo. Hay ka na ba? We are very much in the wrong direction. Ay, ako ay ko nila. Ako ay bakit ako ay mahangin kami ng buhay. Lari ito mahangin para yung sisi. Lari ito mahangin kami. Man raising ito ka. Parents yung sinabi. Manipura parents na patre. May angang sa nahay sa tayo mahay na mapung. Mapung. Your son and daughters are just like producing robot. Where is their silent days? Where is their adulthood days? This is our social aspect. If I'm departed from the social sphere, it's horrible. Anyway, I talk in my like my father. Karena memang pasti ay pau kayo. Ada kini mai kerja uni, ay table kamay tamu, home food kamay tamu, si ay na halimiti, United Nations di UNESCO na, mungkin research di mana lagi scientist, ada yang mengenai lagi psychologist yang pun lagi. When you travel on the scene, how to read books and how to work. See, when you travel on the scene, you go. Adu di framework to, adu di formula se. Kali hai kita S Q R R R. S stands for survey. S stands for survey. Whatever I am telling to you, there is a survey of the books. When you go their books, open the books and that pages, everything that is written very clearly. Publisher, edition number, publishing years, even price also. Then you have to understand what this contains also. Right? And this is known as survey of the books. Without survey first, don't try to go through the books. Ako yung para like to ko ay kanya. Even we can this mentioning the pages what I'm telling to you. Seminar conference na to din. Ay I'm telling you there is the books of Huntington Class Civilization from 19 pages like this. You have to give such a very big reference. After that they notice he is very academic. Right? So first, survey is very important. Then another is Q. Q stands for questioning. Without questioning, how you can continue to read the books? May like pa ang tabira. May like pa ang talido. Question ang dabay nila. So those students who are reading in class 10, I think French Revolution was there. Sundra, French Revolution apa? Nang di French Revolution is kaya. Karena mungkin tuh lima tuh is that followed after King Napoleon Bonaparte like this, right? Already, who are the leaders of this? Why it is happening? And what are the important messages given in this story? And is it spreading out throughout the world? And the emergence of this glorious revolution of Britain and American War of Independence, is there any connection? Like, when you raise a very good set of the question, when you are reading that book, you do not want to stop it. You have to continue more and more and more. Even your parents say that, stop, my dear, you should be fatal like But for you, Papa will tell them. Papa will get the you think like that question in that connection. And you have to put your question. Einstein said, don't stop questioning. If you stop questioning, the society will be sinking. That should be the sinking society. Society the question and no question may be lying between. It's not happening in any part of the world except India. India ki lalimatam is very outdated. When you go to abroad, you come to understand. Tamil say, what a spoiler. Adunane new education policy is in comparison with the past, it's something better. Because I'm also members of the Syllabus Committee of India. I use Syllabus Committee members of God. Already before 2 decades, I'm hybrid. We have to change this. And we look at the Hadak Territories. So they can Perika, Ila Torah. It should be replaced by demonstration. Chundra. No is Perikada, light the question now. Was our answer Pire, Nang by heart power, the land of the what is the intensive values of you? Perikana. Aduni was you and you put God. I don't know Marco Z grading to raise A, B, A plus B, B plus Togra. It should be the 12th story, T Togra. Her ready demonstration to Singapore is the best education system in the world. Singapore, Japan, China, South Korea, Canada, Czechoslovakia has the Disney USA and the Britain. Although Muigi, like I said, 90% demonstration in practical. Only 10% theory. For India, 90% theory, 10% practical. Although we are very far lagging behind, day by day. So, we have to see now your smartphone is in your pocket, right? Then these very modern cars pass out from these roads, and you can see so many skyscrapers, buildings, colorful one. You can watch, all this global channel in a very small room of you with a very small remote. Then you think that this is development. No. Development is development of mindset. You have to develop this mindset. Right? Aduna, question don't stop questioning. Question number set question. Matamahal madazu, ay matamahal is kana berkana. Ay ne school is kana berkana. Ay ne school attend to is kana berkana. Wazat aku pe abdu tar khang yunda halal kana ni. Alasun pasal halal lim jong halal kana ni. Sundra. It's just like butterfly land on the buds of the flower, not the bee collected honey from the flower. You have to collect honey from the stone. Right? Making perception the ideas that we have got. Adana, he was trying for questioning. Then the next are reading. S is that for? Kariba? S is that for? Survey of the verbs. Q stand for? Yeah, question. Then the first R reading, that is R reading for reading, stand for reading. The best hour for reading is in the morning from 4 to 6. Now, this is not prescribed from my side, this is prescribed by the scientists, research team of the UNESCO. If you are going through books in between this hour from 4 to 6, 100% should be benefited. 100%. Yang thuna su phani, kau su kau. Adugo throughout nangi life, if you can walk in between this hour, you should be the genius. Google channel. All these genius people, they are walking in between this hour 4 to 6 morning. You have to go to bed, at 9 o'clock. Right? 9 o'clock, at least 8 hours. Not less than 7 hours, 8 hours. Brain say, your direction should not be south and north when you are reading. Dari paham kan south ka north ko pun berada. Kaya south ko north ko arti gravity shock se, nangga north ko bola ba south ko bola ba, nangi brain se gravity shock always lagi. When we come down, orang para paham wat ni paham itu nak kau ni. Because of getting shocked, warm liquid to the form the tool kind shock them beginning on the company. A scenario damage 5% of the brain damaged by this. That is why in Soviet Union, in Russia, there is marine maternity. We issue this from the India को साउथ को जितना तक उन्हें रहता है और एक कपड़ा वहाँ के इसमें पोक्सन दिया है और तो ब्रेक इट देने से राइट और शॉर्ट को नोटू वन भी आते ईस्ट का वेस्ट को वन भी दबा कौन टेबल से दिस इज अ टेबल का राइट साइड से कौन इंद थम्बे आते so whatever I am telling to you, say brain na quite palm the problem. Nangi brain jina is west one is palm de ko. Nangi brain jina itta ngai palm sa palmi. Nangi brain jina table ki ye thumba right side ko chai thumba si palm de. Ko. Adigi next the khong je art kare le India de. Khong is smile ba tara lai pa ba de ko. Table ki मैं तो बारह में थम गया ना तो खाना में थम गया तो वो पार हो अदिगी against the light पार गया थी थोड़ा सी ना आने में थोड़ा सी हाथ को कर स्वयं अपोजिट पार गया देखा मैं स्वयं थाला पार गया देखा तुम भी दिया बेनिया में तो मोबाइल से तुम भी तो उनका मोबाइल में ये भी आते टीवी से मोबाइल से ब्रेन का क्या पार दो तुम हो गए इतना Having a was having the mobile use the TV use. Saksang sana mobile use the TV use. Say, won't help advice who will be advisory. This is the advisory given by the WHO, World Health Organization. The advice they go in my issue, Saksang TV, right problem mobile company. You have to switch off when you are willing to walk you know. Otherwise, you know, life power that I being in him. Life power, Yara, switch up from the life power. China, Kamaina, Lani, Paga against everything. Yadika. Then you know, the second R stands for, the second R stands for recite. Recite means, just like recitation. Whatever the formula, it's very important. And whatever the quotation, it's very important. And whatever the definition, it's very important. You have to recite it again and again. Again and again. Nang quite pay of a program dog. High Sanoba. So called consider. And when I was at the telephone number 986-240-4979. Bring the high with the high man lady to him. But I'm not the lady to this. I'm powerful. I will come out the right purpose of repetition is intolerable. I see 1968 metric Taiwan. I was appearing metric exam in 1968. I was 73. Now I'm 73 running. Now I'm withdraw. Pakang Andrew. Although 60 ga 8 ga I know part of the parasol like Matamsida ko sa ibo bi sorry sa pa bi ni sila lagi mana pada sa definition pada sa formula sa it should be very much useful throughout the life. It should always valid how I was going to apply it. Aina imegi anak sila political economy tak pernah Leonel Strovinski definition economics as a science which is study about human behavior as the relationship of ends and discuss means, which have not automated uses. So, who is very good? 1968. And then, Matambu ni kuisi ang decide to iba. Ni pagkita hay kasi matambu sa akin to iba. Ang kaungan di mo, may karat ka oli indo sa din. Nasi di class 6 ta mga ini lain pa ang control di. Control ay para dami ko. May ang di. Kaya namin na pabagi information dito juga na tabagi information dito brand ani pirpalin na lam thika na. Brand the primary information is only the eyes and ears. Ani sila. Adun listening skill the job to. Ko. Sima. Aduna sige research mo ko mo ko. Adigi akong may eyes na na review. Review is very connected with critical thinking. The most important part of life skill, critical thinking and review lesson. Right? Review I say, cinema yengena, chumni yengena, review to. Director se kana, characterize se pasabra, man hero sana heroine sana, inactive sana, liar sana. Storyline kamay ko subplot yang main plot to happy relevance label ito na ending kamay ko di na critically view mo ito mo film critic balik ko sa mga music even book reviewer balik ko sa mga music film reviewer bisa balik ko music na siya na ini ngalir ko mo balik sa akin mo ito may interest mo ngalir mo dyan mo ini sorry. Aduna review to bisa kamu. Lari review to nangi lai to say for instance, nangi na the even a present rate kami ko. You to say tamde na. Last na tamdro. Ada mai even a present rate to man ibu the magi you tapasi ahlo to lagi ani to to Punanda adu boleh, ok boleh, lamu boleh kan tak? Tahu tak? Transformation dah. Adu nak liu talk sedikit. The email present berisi, ya biar masuk isi malam ni, nama review tu betul ni. But you know why it is so important? Lagi human behavior se change story tu because of sagi you tu na. Ada okay real life tadi kamai tu, you can apply this. And I know the highest. Many people are not going to like them really high. Maybe whatever the ideas you have got from your goals, you do not try to put into practice at all. Like the your ideas in it, di tumdi. Mereka ini mahu tumdi. Sundra, nasi tumba, anak kita mama ada. Ali to bread, Ali to rice, max, and so person. 마su ngange, angansu ngange sebagai sama. Anga apa mana berada? Anga apa mana teman si. Hari ini anak buat saya berbicara ramai. Ima ipami nopo lain ni mo sewa tu mana pusi mo tolong ni lai par. Mari no pakon sebab dia. Ha. Jadi, noi lain tu kadang tu apa tu? Apa ina syllabus set macam dah. Class tinggi, class standard lo cara nak syllabus idea yang happy. Hozi mo sa kari manunda mi om wirigo. Among all of the students, 3 persons, 2 girls, 1 boys. Now they are dreaming. Don't do like that. When I take class in university, I always close the door and I always see each of the pressures of my students, and I will very much closer with them also and impress them also. That's why when I go to this girl's side, I always keep my hand in the pockets. So it will continue. Jangan tengok. Aduna, ain pada hari ini UNESCO की advisory day. In every 15 minutes pagi tu have. She is very important. Anu advisory rakyat. Every 15 minutes pagi tu have. Refresh tu. Nanti anak saya, jangan tension loss with power. And in every 15 minutes, aduna ini pagi tu is. Adu di yang ada kursi ya, yang apa? Kali-kali hari asli number 1, S stand for, and the best award for reading. Yes, 4 to 6, 6 to 6 sila 50% kadang. During these hours you are in school, right? And evening dinner, sano, game na jaga hinggul di koi ba, imai pai matin pamko. You have to associate with your parents in every day when they are walking. Japan the dinner, life pada di jai pa. Adu parents ka saksa min na ba, parents ka terus sumi na untuk disuya. Because you can get IQ from the books, you can emotional quotient, EQ, very important that is from family. When there is equal development of IQ and the EQ, yeah, there is a quality education. Ang mamampat ito betul. Adigi grandpa, grandma, nila dina. Nung sina siya ito mo ito. Magkong ganun din na. Nang ikut mo ko lang ko ingkala ko kasi betul. Nung yung sabi na, kaya ba mo ki magkong namin. Pinada mo hindi. They are waiting us. In the unreachable journey of life. Moi punsigi halawe da khonsang tu bus parking da bus ngai le ni ko no mai ka ka ki le susa ku chale bu chale ya bro, it never gets any more. Jumra ya do da blessing of ni ko ya do da ni adi mama baba ra ko su se. You always associate with them. Mainly, others are part of study. You are acquiring emotional quotient. Intelligence quotient खतरनाक हो गया मेरे को. Intelligence quotient is 50, EQ is 50. Combination of both these two, that means you are very perfect. Right? यार को. अभी क्यों करी? Yeah. Then R first R reading. The second R, the last one, go. Then now let us have a very motivational part of the life. See, you have to be very much clear about 3 things which are not written at all. My dear young friends, please listen carefully. There are 3 unreasonable things in the world. The first one is time. Do you believe that yesterday came back again or not? No. Never back again in your life. Sundra, I did Manipur means at the way. I see the country. Colgate say, Colgate, Nesabiki, Mamma Tanova, cream listen. That's what the dog was here. Colgate sits my kingdom the door. Love my answer. I don't want them there. No, I don't even come around with the Colgate is nothing, you know. Your sunscreen is nothing. But time is more, and a million times valuable than that. But you didn't care about the time. Narang ko itong home ba? Ganito ba? Nasiso yung home rin. Hayaan siya pula ang home rin. Adudi, dapat rin. You have to be very clear about the time. It's not very little again. Halo itong post ni Lung daw ko doon. Ay, ito kumra. In my case, when I go to washroom, I change the thing, cover the parent, home drama. I can set 20 minutes. Because Nahas is here. All these global different countries in Nahas is here. My colleague say how to set time and how to utilize more and more time. So for instance, nang light pa pang sa to yan. Double kanina. Sa to yan is magiging na kanina. Aligidi he is tita ka ilang talaga mga light up sa. Double kanina. Habang to light pa mga kanina. Yan pa din. Sa ka to light pa mga kanina. Ado din nang double no mo sa 24 hours na gidi 48 hours 2 days sa mga Aduh tak tahu mau kau boleh. Aku ini kata dia tu mana ni? Wali sasa ni. Nabi ni mana mana ni macam mana? Ni misi tu sah ni. Punga madal agam mana ada di sana. Wali sasa sah. Ada tu pun sah ni. Saya macam ni kaya ko menupi dan tu ini. As. Now in your two so you know what is the future of you? Forget about your future. You know what about the future of the state? Future of the society. But you know, within a very short decades, you know, everything lies in your hands. Nagkakatok sa akin nimi. You should be very confident. Confident and eyes of someone who have the table. Nangyayang the perfect man with the ano ibita kaya. Kamay mo gidi. Number 1, natamukiyar ang lower ko. Anis ko the life. Life sa lower ko. Life is also undetermined. Hello, bro. No, what's she doing? Bro. Be my I bro. No. 1 second, Lord. Undetermined never. Other than, you know, uncountable numbers of people who are born and dead. That is natural process. You were not there. You were not born as Japanese in Japan. You were not born as American in America. Right? You born here. Sundra. Hard to problem way. Okay. After passing away, si siga matunda ang call ka. Why? Only one way ticket. You have got only one way ticket to come on out. Kanang ticket be? Who gives your ticket? Who is your ticket counter to come on out? Kanang? Yes, Ima. Ima de loon to. Ima de hai ko ni koi loon to ko. Pinong ra. Nang nasdaga izma ticket pi ni. Nata nang pijile thoy. You should not come on this every little father hour. Ano ima yang to ko. Ay ima gi mahai ko. Noine. Ima se kan sit to nang se. Ima se na up to 6 months. Tha na. Tha tarap se. KG ani ni put police. Nang KG ani gi nung no. Put happy na. PT ni phajal lo. Kya pi legin bi. Even you can spend only one day at home. Imadi Tatara 10 months. Love your mother, please. Love your father, please. I did not go in a delivery room the same day. At the gate of the day, she will get on the lip. Angang living Mama this see. Have you doctor? Now you are very fortunate. You associate with your mother. Imadi ang dogdang mama ke doge, kailan pauge. Imana life pauge ma. Yes mama. Pardon. Marang mo ka dami ko. Say this is our culture. Sumiko. Aduna ay nagdahay ng isa. Punsi si susam dito ko ko naman eh. Matam suko. Aduga ano na? Spoken words. Wali pa nang nantok ko words eh. Amo sa lugar. Nang nangi naman DJ niya. Yung dahalaga as mga ito. Ado ang halong. And another thing is that before spoken out your words, you have to think and you have to say in a very polite way. Aduni posi communication skill, soft skill, training periods, college. But it should be socialized by the family. Family is the best agency of socialization. But they didn't do it by the parents. Parents are the doctrine. Parents are the anak sendiri sahaja. Hati kata biru, anak mama apa tu kita tu. Ini saya mama usi dan tenang. Anak di parents are the doctrine si 1 to 5 sidi mi mating yang orang kayu tu orang mereka. Luda tu. Love and affection is so you want to know. Adik class, adik from 6 to 12 so the new group to. Mama na betul tu ni importance ke ni. Mama na pun pembina na mother ni ada tanah na regulate tu betul. Sana lagi macam sah lagi macam regulate tu betul. Aduh, foreign 13 haradi, 13, 14, 15 sih 19 books sidina. Yang cina maning tamu. Orang di mui ini maning tambah paham macam ni. Adult macam ni, nando. You are not in the mindset of your son and daughter. Instead of that, you know, pakang naman ay sabi mahapon. Ngang say before 13 na din. Mungkin bisa kain siya ng bukas sa kapan. Siyaws. Mungkin bisa kain siya lupisi. Before 13, mama na. 13 niya hanggang doktor family. Sabi mo hapon ni Ibi, so napakang na hapon. Ako dahil ito ko, tsara kalitum ni kani. You are very much in danger, parents. Aduna, you should associate them, you know, as a friend. More to a thing, so you check the world. Parigay ng talo ko, patag check to. Sila, kaman ka to na, ay mo pani, ay na mayaman ni kay kamantor, anang sin, anong tiyaw ko. Aduna yung family na confident to you. Kaman suko ko. Like, sabi mo tayo. Like, gira, may magi acceptance mo. Like, sila, saan natin dito na. Sa tungo, sabi mo, kaman na to. Muy kaman sa taning din. Mano mo yung level sa manila na ako. At kaya, mapaniwang ito, kasi may mga conflict relationship ko. Say, each of the family crisis na siya na-improve. Aduna ay nakita siya ahong siya kawan ko. There are 3 unimaginable things in the world. Then ato pa mana life sila ni. There are 4 important portions of the life. Which is the life? Number 1, that is the personal life. Number 2, that is the family life. Number 3, that is the professional life. And the 4th one is social life. It's very important God. Say, I looking personal life say, Nangi, as a person, you have to acquire some qualities and character. Qualities can acquire of them. Whether it may be from society, whether it may be from group, or whether it may be another agency, say global this nangi media country you have to acquire this thing. The first one is communication skill. Orang pasal kita kita pasal kamu the India la as a Indian lady Hindi sukhamu English sukhamu kamu kau. Ado local language sukhamu ni. Ado pasal pasal kat sini ngaku tamas. Pasal pasal communicate tu. Sini kita personality dah paling maru maru. Panai aku masuk pasal suara namba kamu tahu hai jadi ni. Mama ni yang buat ni. Kamu ingat ni. Nang nang betul ni nang pang betul ni benefit ni. Pasal nang kau. I samjhan ni, nam sang ko na tani. Next listening skill. Taam hai to. Taam ne. Ai mun ni yeng ga ai nang ta ga ni ai khang nan tais. Ai mun ni yeng na taam se ko. Ni si taam ko da mai smai ko to taam se. Taam ta ra ni ka ji sa de la ka ji ko ka ni. Ai sa si ka ji lai ti kai ni ko. Ana mun yeng ni face to face yang mereka hilang bisa personality yang hilang kini kau hilang any bayar any interview macam kata magi panel expert itu hilang wajah nana dia mana semudah kemudian di personality itu dia zero macam ada face to face eye to eye hilang kemudian ai mesti sang bagi interview itu कोई एक्सपर्ट तो ये मन में मालूम होता है अदुना सिगी नासी कम साथी ना इंटेना when you are in the markets you know so many sounds coming up in nubi khana batani kuchi ko batani san ko batani gari chap batani motor chap batani but you know within that market naga kita malum no wari sakin tahu wari tahu Nagi antenna radio station manu. So many stations are there, but you know, if you want to get impulse, when you keep the impulse radio station lakra, and when you nang pa ko to naze, tak ang thang ko, adena tawo. Aduni attention device. Mun tawo. No make ang digi tumbo ko pati nagi betari lang sa tumba. Bahwa beta ni dengan is the idea sekarang yang ni idea amana personality ayat takut pilih idea ni ina tak kemudian aina ini YouTube dah lotus tize manipur kutu pilih aku lotus se is very unique and different and lotus tize global ni yang tahu ni kan semua lagi bright enterprise itu lotus tize kutu pilih ina kemudian sungguh dah idea apa kita ni Noidi, I know the Ganum Harry Pop. Forget about the career, doctor, IS officer, and with the work of the world. You have got enough resources. Resources like that. But we didn't try to explore this. When we explore to the Nipa, hilarious is the herbal seed. So many herbal seeds are there. Say, okay, kun. Takele maruze kezi de lising ni ni adegi dekwa de maruze kezi de lising ni mukha uzi saffron thighs se kezi de lak mukha to last 20,000 ada koy angan sing sina mana tam science ko yaw na ni ni science pada tamok kangbu sing dinai aku ini all this herbals cancer na apa bina ka balik ni aku ini business my business na jani ko ndo ilat kan mo na systematically research to ga ai chende apa apa ni ya ina ko ba ni resource di le tamen ni ka thau nei more than 3 years and it's to pull ado so ja police to ga ji ga aduna ni ko ki so ja police ji ga kan to le Ready, sambil dan yang ketinggian, kata mana? Tiada uranium sini. Ada hal ni seperti tabur sini aku bel se, sida dari limestone se best quality ni. Sini cement itu kutu di mana, Meghalaya start cement itu tiada nak ada. Ada makah je, green place, start apa sih? Kau sini tiles tiles semua wall market, kau itu tahu sih? As, itu unlimited ni. Ada chromium, mana pun lower. But dari ini bisa mini lah. Lagi na, nu itu mana yang sih? Sing lain betul tu sembar. Ha, mereka innovative ideas sahaja. Any anu explore or experiment on the maintenance later. Ha, anu yang ada tu tahu. You have to explore all these things. Kau betul betul dua kita nak apa sih tentang? Science tu apply tu ni. Ada ni Manipur की soil से कांग्रेस पाल्स जाऊँ यूरोप भी आए कांग्रेस हमला कांग्रेस हमला है चार खाएगा ज़ाइलों की रहते कांग्रेस है इसी मतलब से पकाए का मुंडा चार दो खाएगा अभी मुंडा पाल्स जाऊँ सिकल्चर तो भी आगे मुंडा सिकी सोल से चली एक अच्छा डिपार्टमेंट को थोड़ा Israel की youth से in comparison with other youngsters of the world, their standard of living is so high because of culturing this Congress culture तो भी नहीं ना पूरा pulse house अब ये इंगाल उच्ची काम तो धारे में तक Congress की तरफ से चला दिया 2000 Congress 2000 pulse होते लोग But adui culture tu di mana lekter tahu ni, semua kita ada gaya. Lain tak mesti apa sih tak betul. Kau tak senang betul. Mak pun bersua, first class nak bersua. Hai lagi, hai life skill dia tu ni, hai macam panggung. Jangan kau, okay. Aduna, nanti life skill sudah communication skill lera, listening lera, critical thinking lera. Ada jadi, apa lagi yang berbeza dah. Empathy kaya ko. Se, ay na yung mga dapat ako tawo do. Ay mo na mina tawo din mga ngayon ni. Ay nakhan bisa empathy ko. Kaya na pagi aham na dapat ilay ni. Diyan na sudong lay ni mite na sudong tangkang na sudong ni. Mao na sudong lay ni. Ado na society siya kung ayaw na ba. Pwede dulay ko. Empathy ko. Adigi, masagi problem solver. Siya mo ni ko. Problem solver. When you are in the family, don't make any problem to them. Instead of problem maker, you have to be the problem creator. Instead of problem creator, you should be the problem solver. Yang mau ditasa, learn knowledge. It's very good. Ini student harus problem itu mendapa. Imana itu harus problem mendapa. Yuk itu problem mendapa. Kami ini society. Office asanya problem mana? Aku ini problem, when itu hendak begini. Saya imung sih patah orang lain. Saya mau tu lah tak begini. Mau tu problem tu solve kalau mana deal tu orang itu tu pun lagi betul. Malah kan, mau yang itu ni. Ay lupa ba tak baca tu ni. Aku ini benar ni. Problem solve se, kamu kane kita. Through the life. Problem solve karo. Aduna culture mereka isa isu generation to generation dah sigi skill dia yang problem solve mereka. Why did why Iceland is very famous for peace, Ireland is very famous for peace, and Switzerland also. Sundra, Switzerland, ada gini, pergi Sundana, Malaysia, Singapore. I think itu jalur yang betul. Itu pergi peaceful ranking countries in the world which are top ni. Mui bising se, hozi hari skill itu yang awal. Ada nuai lagi. Apa ini soal? It's a problem. Aduna, sini am sini ay tension ni ko. Then this certain need, ay tak sah. Tuan hawa was ko motivation si sangi ko. Ado samjang ni ko. Sina pergi nanti sakit personal life tu ni ko. Family life ti. Nang yung lumong masuk family mo lagi. Nang yung family ti lagi sila top mo masuk family mo lagi. House की building का family के आपके को house की building की construction by the material cement कुम्बा brick कुम्बा iron कुम्बा जिंगा कुम्बा अदुना साब ने को युक्ति वाहन रजू आया अम्मा कहता long युद्ध रजू आया कोई युक्ति family दी इमु रजू लेबा मी नाम जबकि relationship among the hearts of the थमोई मरी तुम्हें मतें पांगबा अवाबा मतें पांगबा हंगबा sharing तोबा नुसीनबा कुंदु तोबा नुसीनबा इमु द problem दा लेहंदर अदुगी इमु दुदगी अथाउगी ओइ थोगनी if the field is very fertile any plants it should be very fruitful sundra as my immune se parents in hygiene se immune se immune ingen ke di angang ki mama papa se nusinara de tinami ya kai ko na de ba to sa ko bi ra amar jo lo zare kai to bulu to angang ki de dai ko pa wa mama da se phu de ba na angang dai pa pa de thoi pa to ko mama da ba ta yu u ni say it is happening so often in our Isoto family. Our family di yang sinal lagi say tamudra ko si laban affection ko. Ada kiri sharing to ba basura ba pesa tal sami na group cha ya mai ne. Adu ki suka kana. Why did not do say adu ki because you are not problem creator. Like what? Something is what? That sound of public premises. What do you got? Like this in my mind. And then next up, professional life. Professional is number one. Say parents in the hiding say, this is my special place. You have to understand very clearly what is difference between interest and the aptitude. That means your potentiality. Nangi interest do lai ragada potentiality lai kadina nangi career do nang career choice to kana we for instance mo para doctor ka ngi rongan that is their interest anga kuda magi potentiality lai da attitude ai pa bagi paning bagi adegi say exam ba hangiba competitive exam da any competitive exam da hangiba match to 100 marks ki 100 match ne ये मतलब तरह सतो इने दुकर माइ सेति सतो जे कई में तो मोमन दा अदुगी मसाकी इनबोर्न क्वालिटी नि योजरी बा अदु बा ngan do मधु अखैना तरि को गेद मादा पोटेंशियलिटी ले को बा मागी इंटरेस्ट नि अदु डॉक्टर पाम नि इंटरेस्ट नि अदुगी पोटेंशियलिटी ले तगदी फना म पोसिंग याव सो तो जुदी नि kai नि अदनि ममा में अखैना पैसा तिंगी जे angang सुसाइड करे तो semua orang swimming. I say I want to be single very much. This is my interest. When I want to teach to learn song, then the teachers tell me that you have to sing a song. Then I sing a song. Then my voice, my tune, this kharab. Then he bore me, because I didn't have attitude. I didn't have this character. The capacity to make have as an say interest to plan another confined to don't confine to only one plan A. You should be plan B, plan C, plan D. You can make plan up to Z. Society is a community. But that there's a maintenance community. That business community. Patient designing the Power of 5 power. Options should be there. Plan A, plan B, plan C, many over. Plan A to the Kandinova. Aduga profession door. Nanga power profession door. Adu I know the potential to all. Aduga I know the hiding Romina. Amongst it or Moekali, equivalent to Namusura, Namusura, Rakesta Zubra, emphasized to you. After class 8 psychometric test after class 8 there is one psychometric test. If you test it, nearly 30 pages will be there. written very clearly what are the intrinsic values, IQ of you and this and that, and they have given the right direction also. In the advanced country, they are always trying to look up to the students after having such a very taste. Sundra, noi psychological test over here, so I did. It's also something. Classic pastor to talk about. There are 8 kinds of IQ. Intelligence quotient makani pale. Each of the students, they should have 1 IQ among these 8. Nipan jing the IQ ama yaw the am the particular point. The mama was in kingdom. I guess as a city go yaw se na invite the boy to. Adun seram to na same. Sumna same मेरी को बुक सफाई करना स्लाइड में को माही की बुद्धि हमारे बोकिंग तो मम्मा पापा तो वो यार ये मैं तंग तंग फुल में होगा मेरी को क्लास के अंदर तो but now the sporting IQ the period ad mama pa ne utilize to be in force ad mai na art and culture da dance live ni na kunde recently before COVID-19 Britain research 5 into be live eba research 5 ki dandi kufisi jail the music thamena adu ha ka visitor ha ada hanu bomna kanna research 5 ke against ngam bi ma jail thami ada macam bisina home je ti inba mapasa ningtho de mana morning evening ule sage babaje tham re sidani ya pa ti breast feeding to mapasa si one day inquiry to kada mama macam pe ko de lagi nung si de ani ko thabe ba adu ki macam pe ne feeding to do mapa do ani ko da adu ki lie do $53 million $53 million pounds Sitya, lo ini ke mana? Buji itu pun ini generation lain macam. But the problem is, nang player वगैरह, artist वगैरह, ada kini nang waiting for you, but you should be little bit different from others. Lain ini melalui mana, usi ini recini ni kadi jaga. You should be different. Sahaja semua player वगैरह suci ni jaga dia. मैं अपने क्वाई है ना किए जो मैं अपने क्वाई है ना हीरो चल तो क्वाई नहीं है ना वो मांग संग जो I should be little bit different from others as I have because this is the agenda of the youngsters of the 21st century. Get the voice there? Okay. अदुना सिगी family life, professional life से लेको अमना नुइना ये थप तो बुकादा मैं इना हम नुआई तो नहीं there is great level theory of Mahatma Gandhi Gandhi ना है सी nang tolong lising akan sadi lising buli tu tolong mo kung tara ka ka ng 19 lawa kung mga dahang nila butor tahan lo nang sa thama more than 10,000 thang it goes to the society nang 50 matata ng 10,000 na thang suri ato samaj lo usulo lepak ke usulo lepak to sa kan ako gidi ay na 50,000 university mo dala ka ni sa 2 lakhs ka sa ito lo say class 20 class ka lo di ma fura le ada class 4 mo sa 5 di ba ay ka kan 5 lo di na library na lang interaction to ko ko up to 10 ni ba ang library adu mai library nang la ani to pi ni halo na ay la ani class sa ro ni puno ma do tak sa ka di bisi kutra pe su ya in India di sigi bread every is a Gandhi kan am tam do nang to profession da अरे हिंजा खाए मी चार में हार तब तक हफ्ते लेती है तब तक हफ्ते सलाह चाका को बांध दे मैं हिंगो चार में कई हफ्ते ऑर्गेनिक मागिन ऑर्गेनिक मैं हम सब तीन इधर का हार और दी माय प्रोफेशन को करी लोगा बेसिकली तो माय प्रोफेशन तो नॉनसेंस प्रोफेशन he didn't understand wealth and the welfare of the society I know wealth आई देने नंबर प्रोग्राम हम लोग ये लेकर पता नहीं तो पूरा angang ram seriously kaloga in relationship between wealth and welfare you have to understand this see any profession mean to khan le do ko ne ba and with the professional life is always a journey it's very unfortunate God class 1 there is a social life you have to love your mother You have to think about your people. You have to think about your living. Tundra. And you have to think for your society. So simple in English. Yung ko, ay si po ko si. Ay na ipo sa din. Ay na ipo ti ko. Hepo ko ay ipo sa mga hiti ko. Ha? Hepo ko ay saksa sa hiti. Mi nga tani. Pati ang pangkis. Light kami na. Usapan mi ito kami. Habang tawag na ito, mi ito kami. Hindi ka sa'y tsali mi. Light ko sa mi ito kami. Ato kami. Ang tani ang gaya siya na. Last bar to mi ito kami. Usually doon. Adi grab ka. Tokanda. Nangi Bible ko pa the tea is mi ito kami. Mi nga tani ito kami. Yung mating pangawin niya. Yung himbagi. This is from cradle to grave of your life. Adi, you have to think for the betterment of others. Not for yourself. Ay, they can be up on them. Na is them. Oh, matang ang ho grade na. Listen get pa. Ang sang ko din. The last na ay na mahirap din ito pa. Ay na to po din. This is my secret seal. No? I learned a very good lesson from water. You have to learn also a very good lesson from water. Number one, water is colorless, smellless, and tasteless. Sundra, isingse mahaw yawti, masuliti, manamliti na siya. Yam cham ne, ano man yam cham mo. Yam cham na hindi niya. Yam din mo na. Tension level, depression level, kanin level. Cham na hindi ba? Aduki matik sabihan ng isingse 15 days 이지기도 방들어봐 까나안 들리는 띵강 까나안 들리는 아마이는 모르고요. You have to very important in your family, in your localities, and in your state, in your country. Even if you can, you have to very important for the world. Say Shinhan first. Second, water is a kind of mathematical. It should always be running down. And I cut out. I get cut out. As big officers, I have to give a very good attention, not an affection to my subordinate staff. I know Zawar I sat up. I know Padim Lower I emotions. Noino Padu Puntoba. Again, the Pamsas and the Masan Puntoba. Handam say, say, sing Paramnipa. Third, the home Suda. He sings there, equity like that base level. Say, Puki with the Pona, Nazi, different knowledge. Mamudra is in a bit of what, Nagaka bit of what, Gagas with the Doctor, Cha Mahatakani. Equity lines. Officer Madazu, I saw the Stamia, Chaman Musim, as officers, the great enemy. I was doing the Tito Colors. In this way, Mamma, Mola, I was doing the Tito, the Masam Chaman Satasu. Officer, organized the same, why not equity language of God? It's in the intermission. And the game Matanda, it seems that. In any set part of the half of the net, you can pour that water, the same will be no problem at all. Pathway racing in Pakini, Pakali and Pakini, co-racing in Koini. Like that, you should be very much social. Marina Kuni, Marina, Amadia Germany, Amadia Yadana, and Dinadova, you always try to mix up with them. Didn't try to mix up them. You always try to indifference from them. Don't do that, You should be very social. That accessible. Come, see me up on Mugulani. Land lesson from water sea lake. And I talk about the last one. It seems that young powerful. It's very powerful. Sing is my childhood than that. Nuna lives it's where to be with her. And the mind of Tina powerful. I'm thinking of him. He can do it. Come. And with this, I think it's better wind up.
Whenever you need any question raised, please, you give answer for the rest. I matam diam.
I feel like